If you're looking for help fixing your General Motors automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive General Motors automobile troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. The vehicle is not starting. If your vehicle either takes a long effort to start, or the vehicle just won't start by any means, then the most predictable issue can be a dead battery. You need to be very observant to correctly identify and troubleshoot such an issue with your vehicle. If in response to turning your ignition key the vehicle is silent, then the issue is with the battery or connecting terminals for sure. If there is a cranking sound while ignition, then the issue might be with the fuel intake or the spark plug. In any case, you can arrange a tow truck, or if possible can jump start your vehicle using a jump starter kit to safely reach a nearby workshop for further investigation of the issue. Engine overheating. Continuous overheating of an engine can root for it to burn out. Engine temperature is shown with the help of a gauge on the dashboard. You do not want it to keep spiking toward the H on the meter. Following are the major causes of engine overheating. Your vehicle might be overburden, exceeding the load index rating, vigorously driving in the rough terrain, overspeeding, absence of oil or coolant. Stop as soon as you realize that the engine is heating up and trust that the motor will chill off. If possible, top up your vehicle with more coolant. Battery. The battery is one of the principal components of a vehicle that needs to work appropriately. The life expectancy of a battery is around 5 years. The battery is made up of lead and highly corrosive acid. A normal problem that occurs with batteries is bad terminals. By applying lubricants on the terminals of the battery, you can keep the battery fit as a fiddle. In case you are not a big fan of maintaining a battery, what you can do is buy a maintenance-free battery, which will work for a very long period without any issues. However, you can do the following to ensure the proper functioning of your battery. 1. Inspect battery terminal. 2. Inspecting the connecting wires of the battery. 3. Check the water level. If needed, add distilled water. Be careful. 4. Using the voltmeter, check the battery voltage for the output of 12 volts. Flat tire. When you have the correct tires, driving is sheltered and increasingly optimized. However, all the things considered, the landscapes that we drive on could influence and harm the tires in our vehicles. A flat tire is any driver's worst dream. But luckily many tire brands offer non-pneumatic tires. These non-pneumatic tires are not supported by the air, so they do not get flat. In terms of battling a flat tire, you must have a spare tire and every one of the apparatuses for replacing a tire, such as jack, wrench, headlight. Driving with a bad headlight is dangerous. You basically become impaired to driving at night. Following are the scenarios of a bad headlight. Dim headlights. Fuse bulb. To fix this, you should always have an extra bulb in your car, as well as you must know to supplant it in the time of need. Brakes. The most prominent issue among the most perilous issues is a bad brake. Brakes normally wear out after some time. It is very imperative to stay aware of the upkeep of the brakes in terms of safety. Try to get the issue fixed before you face an evident disappointment. Brake pads and rotors wearing out substantially more rapidly than anticipated. It commonly occurs due to the manufacturing fault. If you suspect such, make sure to consult a professional as soon as possible. Faulty brakes can be very dangerous. Tire wear. It may not be realized when driving that your vehicle's tires are unevenly worn. However, worn tires can be risky because of the diminished grasp out and about. Make sure you do a proper inspection of your tires once a week and if possible every day. Walk around your vehicle to perform a speedy tire check. This will let you know whether your tires are worn out or not. You can reduce or avoid tire wear by rotating your tires every 6,000 miles. This will increase the life of your tire and reduce the rate of tire wear.